Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by protecting what matters. Back up your saves and any custom mods to a safe folder, because updates can overwrite files. Next, check the game version and the update patch details so you know what will change and how large the download is. Once done, quit the game, disable overlays or any mod managers, and confirm you have 5 to 10% free disk space. These steps cut failures and speed up installation, so don't skip them. You now download the official patch or verified update file. If a checksum is provided, verify it to avoid corrupted files. Next, run the installer as administrator to ensure it can write all necessary files and follow prompts carefully, accept only required components. Once the base game is updated, reintroduce mods one at a time and test after each change so you can spot conflicts quickly. This methodical approach, you finish by launching the game in vanilla mode to confirm the new version and basic gameplay work correctly. This isolates update issues versus mods. If a crash or missing content appears, restore your backup, inspect the game logs for error codes, and try reinstalling the specific update. Make sure your GPU drivers and OS updates are current. One key troubleshooting tip: verify the game cache and remove any recently added mod if problems persist. This often
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.